Dear colleagues and friends, welcome to our 21st International Workshop on Neonatology and Pediatrics. Welcome to Sardinia, welcome to Cagliari, a marvelous town rich of attraction, sun and sea. The previous 20 editions of this workshop have been recognized as an important milestone in neonatology and pediatrics. During the past 20 years, we proudly hosted top scientists from all over the world. We covered several cutting-edge topics from prenatal life to artificial intelligence. This year we will focus on evolution and revolution in neonatology and pediatrics. 4 days of meetings, networking, more than 140 people as a faculty. Our top-level scientists will present the new advances in perinatology, pediatrics, new technologies, metabolomics, laboratory medicines, and many other fields of pediatrics. The workshop is organized in 2 main meetings and several satellite sessions. After the successful event of last year, we present the second Balkan meeting of neonatology and pediatrics with the top speakers from Greece, Albania, North Macedonia, Kosovo. All the presidents are present, and there are also colleagues from Kyrgyzstan, Portugal, Poland, and many other countries. The proceedings of the workshop will be published in the Journal of Pediatric and Neonatal Individualized Medicine that was awarded by the Ministry of Culture as a journal of high cultural value. The workshop is focused on the future, and children are the future, and our mission is not to foresee the future, but to make it possible. Welcome to the International Workshop on Neonatology and Pediatrics. Enjoy the workshop, enjoy the sessions. Buon congresso.